Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we're going to show you how to guys remove or replace interior dome light bulb guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. We'll show on the front and the rear as well. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you need to buy any bulbs, parts, tools guys, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. We can get everything for a super good price and extremely fast shipping as well. We have guys a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should cover the whole first generation from year 2008 to year guys 2016. So we're going to go inside and I'll show you okay what we'll be doing now, if I can open the door. So let's guys focus on the interior dome light now right here. This is the light guys. So what we are going to use now, what we'll be using to actually go ahead and remove that bulb. So let me get some tools that I'll need now quick. Perfect. First guys, we're going to start with a small flat head screwdriver right here on the top. Right here there is a couple clips. You have to be careful not to break anything. Gently pry. Okay, like that. After that now guys, what I'm going to do, I'll get a small panel removal tool. I'll gently guys try to go under the light now. And gently start prying all the clips out. Let me turn it off so we don't short something out. But gently guys, you have to pull it out. Now we'll demonstrate on the rear as well. Clips I'm talking about now guys, that you have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the front you just have 2 little ones. Once you guys remove that glass, from here it's super simple. Those are your bulbs. Grab it with your fingers, careful not to break in your fingers, pull it out, grab the new one, replace it guys. And you can see, pretty simple, right? Now let's go ahead and show you guys how to do the rear one as well, and how to install that glass, because otherwise you can break it easily. So after you install the new bulb, let me just push it in now. Check all the bulbs guys that they work before you actually close it, because you don't want to reopen it, because there is always a chance to break something. Now how you guys do it, you have to be extremely careful. You need to start on each side at the same time, get the clips in the canals. Perfect. This one is ready. Now let's do the back side guys. This is the one right here. So what we'll be doing here as well guys, same thing. So let's try to focus now right here. To hold the camera maybe like that. Perfect. With the screwdriver again, there is 2 little bitty slots right here that you get loose. Perfect. The thing started coming out. Now I'll get the panel removal tool and gently start pushing everything out. And as you can see guys, same thing. Same glass. And if you need to replace the bulb, it's right here as well. Not very complicated, right? So you can see guys, that's all. From rear and back, everything's practically almost the same guys. So what I'll do now, we'll just go ahead, start getting it in and push it until it clicks. So that's the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.